Did you know that Morocco is home to a traditional soup that has been enjoyed for centuries and still holds a special place on the tables of millions of people? This is more than just a soup. It is a symbol of Moroccan heritage, hospitality, warmth, and family traditions. Welcome to Flavoriel. Today, we're taking you on a fascinating journey to discover one of Morocco's most iconic dishes, Authentic Moroccan Harira. Known for its rich flavor, nourishing ingredients, and deep cultural roots, Harira has become famous around the world. So, what makes this traditional soup so special? And why has it captured the hearts of food lovers across Europe and America? Let's find out together. Classical building 2. The story and history of Harira. The origins of Harira date back hundreds of years. It was traditionally prepared in Moroccan homes using simple, locally available ingredients that were both nutritious and affordable. Over time, Harira became an essential part of Moroccan culture, especially during the holy month of Ramadan, when families gather around the table to break their fast with a warm bowl of this comforting soup. However, Harira isn't only enjoyed during Ramadan. It is served throughout the year in Moroccan homes, restaurants, and family celebrations. Today, Harira has become an ambassador of Moroccan cuisine, appearing on restaurant menus across Europe, North America, and many other parts of the world. Bowl with spoon 3. Ingredients. The secret behind Harira lies in the perfect balance of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Traditional Moroccan Harira is made with fresh tomatoes, chickpeas, lentils, beef or lamb, or chicken as an alternative, celery, fresh cilantro, fresh parsley, onion, vermicelli, noodles, flour, mixed with water to thicken the soup, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, saffron, optional, depending on the region. Although these ingredients are simple, together they create an unforgettable flavor. Mancook 4. How Harira is prepared. The cooking process begins by simmering meat with onions, celery, parsley, and cilantro. Next, blended tomatoes, chickpeas, lentils, and a blend of traditional Moroccan spices are added. The soup is then left to simmer slowly, allowing all the flavors to blend beautifully. Finally, a flour and water mixture is stirred in to create Harira's signature creamy texture, followed by vermicelli noodles that cook for just a few minutes before the soup is ready to serve. Red Heart 5. Health benefits. Harira is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Chickpeas and lentils provide excellent plant-based protein and dietary fiber. Tomatoes are naturally rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Fresh herbs supply essential vitamins and minerals. Traditional spices such as ginger and turmeric add both remarkable flavor and natural health benefits. This makes Harira a balanced, nourishing meal suitable for the whole family. Globe showing Europe, Africa 6. Interesting facts about Harira. Did you know? Harira is one of the first Moroccan dishes recommended to visitors exploring Moroccan cuisine. Every region in Morocco has its own slightly different version of Harira. Many Moroccan families proudly preserve their own secret recipes passed down through generations. Harira is considered one of the country's most iconic culinary traditions. Many international travelers describe it as one of the best soups they have ever tasted. Fork and knife with plate 7. How Harira is traditionally served. Harira is always served hot. In Morocco, it is commonly accompanied by chibakia, a sesame and honey pastry, sweet dates, fresh Moroccan bread, lemon wedges, boiled eggs in some regions. This combination creates a perfectly balanced meal with both sweet and savory flavors. Globe showing America's 8. What tourists say about Harira. Visitors from Europe and North America are often impressed by Harira's rich combination of tomatoes, aromatic spices, fresh herbs, and creamy texture. Many describe it as comforting, hearty, and perfect for cold weather. After tasting Harira for the first time, many travelers search for authentic recipes so they can recreate this famous Moroccan soup at home. Its growing popularity has made Harira one of Morocco's best-known dishes worldwide. Mancook 9. Tips for making the perfect Harira. Professional Moroccan cooks recommend the following tips. Use ripe, fresh tomatoes for the richest flavor. Allow the soup to simmer slowly to develop deeper flavors. Always use fresh herbs instead of dried ones whenever possible. Add the vermicelli during the last few minutes of cooking. Let the soup rest for about 5 minutes before serving so the flavors can fully blend together. These simple tips make a remarkable difference in the final result. Morocco 10. Why Harira represents the spirit of Morocco. Harira is much more than a traditional soup. It tells the story of Morocco's rich history, warm hospitality, and strong family traditions. For generations, Harira has brought families together around the dining table, celebrating togetherness, generosity, and authentic home cooking. Every bowl reflects the heart of Moroccan culture and the country's passion for flavorful, wholesome food. Clapperboard 11. Conclusion. That concludes our journey into one of Morocco's most beloved traditional dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos exploring authentic Moroccan cuisine. Let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried Moroccan Harira? Would you like to taste it one day? Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon in another exciting journey through the incredible world of Moroccan food with Flavor EL.